Hey guys, today we're at Panda chasing the food here. I don't like it.
I like it.
This is my teriyaki chicken, I think.
Yes, it is.
Me too, it's mine. Mine too.
Yeah, it is. This is white rice, teriyaki chicken, orange chicken,
And
orange chicken and shrimp.
do you like the food?
Yeah,
Enjoy.
you enjoy it too.
Let's enjoy together.
Okay guys, I really wanted a parrot, so there's a store with parrots. It's right behind me over there. I'm gonna go throw away all the food that we ate and come back. Guys, I wanted a parrot for a really long time. There's a store right behind me. There's so much animals in it: cats, dogs, parrots, fish. We're gonna go there right now and maybe get a blue one or a yellow one or a green one. Let's go get it. Go get the parrot. Okay guys, we just came to the store. There's so much animals here. First I'm gonna show you the fish. Let's go. These ones are little. Oh, wow. So these ones, whoa. These ones.
It looks like shark.
No, I think those are gonna. This one, I think it's gonna be a sail.
Read here.
Oh,
Bala shark.
sharks?
It's a small shark.
Oh yeah, you can kind of see right here. Kind of see. There's an eel right here.
Another one.
So much. These tiny fish. These ones. Look at these ones. Hi. This one's beautiful.
Look at this.
Mommy, look at this.
Is there any fish in here? Dang,
Mommy,
there's so
look
small.
at this. Watch this. Watch this.
What's up, bro? Hi. Hi. Let's go to the sharks. Let's see if they're... Mom, hit the window. Hurry. Wait, let them come to us.
There is one small.
That's
It's not
a...
shark.
Yeah, it is. Rainbow shark. It's another kind of species. Look at that one right there. What's up? Hi. Hi.
Say hi.
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 We're gonna go play soccer tonight? Or basketball?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why not? He's so big. Watch. He's so big.
I know.
I think this fish, the biggest one.
Whoa.
Guys, look at this. Guys.
He's talking.
Look at this.
No, he's talking to me.
Look at these ones.
Watch. They are talking together. Watch. Can you see?
Okay, let's go.
He's so nice. So cute.
Should I put my hand in it?
No.
Get out. Wait, is that a dead one? Those ones I think are dead.
I think he's just sleeping.
That happens?
Yeah, sometimes. He pretend he's sleeping.
Look at this lizard. No one's here, I guess. I guess it's only me and him. Oh, that turtle, baby. Look at this. Look at that turtle.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Wow.
It's big.
Yeah, it's so big. Do you like it?
Yeah. Look at those ones.
There are 2 more.
I like those ones.
These ones?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
want to check the other ones right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow one. I like that yellow one and this one. This one. And a carrot. I'm in both.
I like the blue one.
Yeah. Look at these ones.
Look at these ones.
Look at these ones right there.
You can snuggle him. Those butt big dogs. They're both fine. Oh my god. Come here, Bill. It's okay. It's okay. Stand right here. He's one.
He just wants to play with you. That's okay.
So he's gonna lean right up against you. See how he's.
Oh, it's okay. It's all right. You'll just get used to it. That's all
There,
right.
good.
It's not bad to be scared until you
Perfect.
realize. I'm so sorry.
Okay, now look at your mom. Smile.
Hi.
Oh, they're so cute. Who wants to hold one?
Me. Here you go. There you go. So when you hold its bottom like that.
Yeah,
There
I
you
know.
go. Good job. Do you want to hold a kitten?
Show me, Robert.
Huh? Do you want to hold one? Come here.
How old is he?
They're about 8 to 10 weeks old.
Oh, it's
Come
too
down here,
small.
honey. Hey, come here.
Too young.
Sit right here. Come here. You want to come sit? Come here. Oh, I gotta go and get her. She's way in the back.
Oh, no. Whoa. Calm down. You're okay. You're okay. Oh.
They were rescued, yes. They were found as little tiny babies.
Guys, this is the part where the dogs get shaved. Look at this one. Look at him. Oh, there's another one right here.
One more?
Yeah.
Ah, no, it's the same dog.
It's the same dog. Look at this iguana, guys. So,
It's sleeping.
nah, I don't think so.
Oh, no.
There's like little spiders over here. So he can eat them. Look at this fish, guys.
He has mustache.
No, this is like a crab. No, it looks like a crab on the bottom.
Small one.
Okay, let me go. Whoa!
Okay, guys, we finally got home. I got the parrot. Let's open it up. Let's go to the... Oh my god, look at this.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Oh my god. Come on, come here. Oh. Come here. You have to come here. Look at this.
Hi.
Let me see if he's gonna bite me or not. Oh, he's not doing anything.
Do you like your parrot?
Oh, I hate him. Oh. I'm gonna name this dude Grisman because he's fast. Oh, I think I broke his leg.
He's so beautiful. Wow.
Okay, let's put them. Oh, bro, this is a tiger, not an animal.
Why?
This is a tiger, not a parrot.
What?
Hey, let's see if he's gonna bite the screen. Let's see. You pussy ass! Pussy ass! Ooh, wait, let me see. He's looking at my finger. Oh! Same spot. Guys, look at this. He bit me. Finger. Mom, look. Mom. Look at this. Oh, bro, that hurts. Can you think?